Here comes to the elevator at Macy's in Belden Village Mall in Canton, Ohio. We got Montgomery Vector here. Ice cap. Let's go to 2. Alright, here we go. Here we are at 2. Let's go down to 1. Door close button don't work. Alright, here we go. One, it's burned out. 2,500 pound capacity. Here's your 88 phone. Here we are at 1. Let's go for one more ride. Wait for it to close. Here we go. Alright. Let's get a cab view. It's a really nice cab. I really like this. Here we are at 2. Let's go down to 1. Door takes a while to close. Here we go. Alright, here we go. Runs really well. Here we are at 1. And we are going to go ahead and get off. Watch it close. And that'll be it.